guys, Ars Clouder from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to make the startup process of your Windows computer or laptop, notebook faster. When you start your computer, as soon as the Windows loads, it gonna loads all the programs that gonna run on the startup. Remember when you was a child and you open the computer and it opens the MSN, for example, or it opens some app like antiviruses or opens the Spotify. This is a startup app, an app that gets started as soon as you turn on your computer. But you have no need to start up, for example, the Spotify as soon as you start your computer. You can start it later and make the complete startup of your Windows faster. How to control this? Go to your Windows dash, just like this, and find the settings or type settings into the search bar. Right here, we're going to be able to see all the settings of your computer. Review the left sidebar of menus. Next to personalization, we have apps. Click on it and going to be right here. All the apps installed, advanced, the full, offline, apps for website, video, and startup. And here is the guide we're looking for, startup. Now we're going to be able to see a list of all the apps on your computer that starts up, that gets started as soon as you turn on your computer. In my case, I have right here Spotify. I had it on, so all we have to do is change to off. And if you have no needs for the app, you can change it to off. For example, Opera. I have no need for it. Copilot, Canva. I have no needs for such apps to get started as soon as I turn on my computer. I can start it later. So this is how to do this. As soon as you switch this part, all gonna be good. Simple, easy, and very, very effective, and gonna make you gain some time while you're turning on your computer. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!